Hey kids, welcome and let's learn the table of 4 with Digital UmmaRa Ali. So here is the table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Let's repeat it and learn the table of 4. Now repeat it with me. 4 ones are 4 ones are yes, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 4 twos are let's tell me. 4 twos are 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 4 threes are yes, you're right. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 4 fours are tell me what is 4 fours are 4 fours are 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 4 fives are 4 fives are 20. Yeah, let's go. 4 6 are 4 6 are 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 4 sevens are 4 sevens are 28. Yay! 4 eights are 4 eights are 4 eights are 32. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 4 nines are yes, 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 4 tens are 4 tens are 40. So simple. Yes. Now I already learned the table of 4. Yay!